Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, welcome, Adab, Namaskaram. Myself Kiran,
myself Gayatri, welcome you all to this great occasion. A very energetic, enthusiastic good morning and welcome to everyone gathered here on this bright and cheerful morning. We have come together to celebrate the annual sports meet of St. Joseph Convent School. This is the day where all the students wait eagerly to present their skills, talent, fun in a competitive environment.
आत्मविश्वास और जुनून को इस कदर बनाओ, आत्मविश्वास और जुनून को इस कदर बनाओ कि खुद को इस दुनिया का बेहतरीन खिलाड़ी बनाओ.
Every champion was once a contender that refused to give up.
न हारना जरूरी है, न जीतना जरूरी है. न हारना जरूरी है, न जीतना जरूरी है. ये जिंदगी का खेल है मेरे बच्चों, इसे खेलना जरूरी है.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Sports Day is a celebration that highlights the importance of sports and games in our lives. It serves as a platform to teach the importance of sportsmanship, respect, and unity. It is a day to acknowledge and appreciate the achievements of sports persons and inspire others. Participation in sports fosters valuable skills such as perseverance, leadership, and cooperation. Ultimately, Sports Day is about more than just winning. It's about the positive experiences, lessons, and community spirits that sports bring.
मैं प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि इतनी मेहरबानी मेरे ईश्वर बनाए रखना. मैं प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि इतनी मेहरबानी मेरे ईश्वर बनाए रखना, जो रास्ता सही हो उस पर चलाए रखना. न दुखे दिल किसी का मेरे शब्दों से इतनी कृपा मेरे ऊपर बनाए रखना. Prayer is the only means by which soul meets God. Prayer offers emotional, potential, mental, and physical benefits such as reduce stress and anxiety, a greater sense of hope and purpose, and improve well-being. It can act as a form of self-reflection, a way to foster a connection with the high power. Daily prayer can bless you, your family, and those you pray for it. It can also invite more peace into your life, help you learn more about God's plan for you. So, let's begin this beautiful morning by seeking the blessings of Almighty. I request our school choir to lead us in prayer. All of you, get ready for prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, and pray with heart.
we begin our day's events. Let us start with the flag hoisting ceremony.
So now it's time to officially welcome everyone to this joyous occasion. For this, I would like to call Anna teacher for welcome speech.
Good morning, everyone. It fills me with great joy to welcome you all to our much awaited annual Sports Day, a celebration of talent, teamwork, and tireless spirit. It extends a warm and respectful welcome to our respected manager, Reverend Sister Beena, Principal Reverend Sister Divya, Vice Principal Reverend Sister Preeti, Avila Block in charge, Reverend Sister Anne Maria, our school administrator Reverend Sister Tissy, and other sisters whose guidance and inspirations inspire us every day. All our my dear colleagues and our vibrant students. Today we come together not just to compete, but to celebrate the true spirit of sportsmanship. Sports play a vital role in building character. They teach us teamwork, discipline, and values that help us succeed not only on the field but in every walk of life. Remember, winning is not everything. Participation, spirit, and the effort of fair play are what truly count. Let us cheer hard-heartedly for every participant and appreciate the dedication and hard work that have gone into preparing for this day. With great pleasure, I once again welcome you all to our Sports Day celebration 2025. Thank you and wishing you all an energetic and successful day ahead.
जिस प्रकार दीपक बोलता नहीं है उसका प्रकाश देता है, ठीक उसी प्रकार आप अपने बारे में कुछ न भी बोलें तो आपके अच्छे कर्म ही आपका परिचय देते हैं। Light is a divinity of life. It shows the right direction of life. Our energy can light up the lives around us. Brightness and prosperity are the symbols of light. It's a positive force that removes darkness. Yes, not only this, but also light symbolizes knowledge and remove the darkness of ignorance. माना कि अंधेरा घना है लेकिन दिया जलाना कहाँ मना है. So, to make the auspicious beginning of this event, we will now have the lighting of lamp ceremony. And for this, I would like to request our manager, Reverend Sister Beena Varghese, our principal, Reverend Sister Divya, our vice principal, Reverend Sister Preeti Augustine, our administrator, Reverend Sister TC, Avila Block in charge, Reverend Sister Anne Maria, our staff secretary, Manisha Thakre teacher, sports in charge, Yogi sir and Jayamala teacher, sports captain, Vivek Ramchandra Gosavi, and head girl, Sanvi Patil. Please come near the stage for lighting the lamp.
Now it's time for the most awaited moments, the torch lighting ceremony. The torch symbolizes purity and undying spirits of sportsmanship. The torch relay is an excellent embodiment of all the Olympic Games have come to symbolize a celebration of human spirit. It represents striving to be the best in whatever we do, never giving up despite the odds, and a commitment to health and fitness. For torch lighting, I would like to call respected Reverend Sister Beena, our manager, to inaugurate sports ceremony by lighting the torch. I request sports captain, vice captain, cabinet members and national sports students to please come forward.
Good afternoon, everyone. For oath ceremony, I would like to call Master Samat Borse.
School standards, attention. Everyone should raise their right hand till shoulder level and get ready for taking oath. We, the students of St. Joseph Convent School, swear that we will take part in the annual sports meet 2025-26 in fair competition, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them, and with a desire to participate in a true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our school and the glory of sports. Hands down.
Thank you very much. Everyone take your seats. I request sisters also to please take your seats.
Now that our flag is flying high and the oath has been taken, it's time for the most exciting part of the day, the games to begin. Yes, the field is set, the participants are ready, and the air is filled with energy and enthusiasm. Sports is not just about winning, it's about the participation, teamwork, and giving your best.
जिस बेसब्री से ये बच्चे उस सुनहरे मनोरंजन और जोशीले समय का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, वो घड़ी अब आ ही गई है। इन्हीं बच्चों का मनोरंजन बढ़ाने के लिए कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। मंजिलें उनकी होती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिलें उनकी होती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता मेरे बच्चों, हौसलों में उड़ान होती है। इसी हौसले और प्रदर्शन करने और बरकरार रखने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी हमारे प्रिंसिपल रेवरेंड सिस्टर दिव्या, मैनेजर सिस्टर बीना वर्गीस, स्पोर्ट्स टीचर योगेश सर, जयमाला टीचर. Please come forward and encourage the players and start the game by breaking the coconut.
Get ready to fight! Get ready to fight! Get ready to fight! यहाँ उससे भी टफ तू बन के दिखा, पल पल आगे बढ़ता ही जा, खुद को मंजिल तक पहुंचा। आज के आगे कल को झुका, सोच न तू अब करके दिखा, जीतना चाहे कर तू यहाँ, कर खुद को तैयार जरा। Get ready to fight! Get ready to fight! Nothing